Hello, welcome back to Sleeper Barbecue. My name is Lance. Today we have another product review for Vevor, and we have a sandwich press to do a review on. Today is going to be just a review only with a cook to follow. I have a couple ideas. I just need to get some groceries for it, and I had a little bit of time, so let me just get the review out the way. So that's what we're going to do. Let me move the camera around and we'll bring you right back. Alright, there it is. Don't let that size deceive you, because it gets a lot bigger than that yet, but that's the closed size to it. But stainless steel top, front. I don't believe this is to be stainless steel in here. This looks like aluminum to me. You can lock this down with the top lock right there, or just to put it away into the cabinet. You can lock that lid down on top of this thing. It has two controls on it, two knobs. One's a temperature control and one's actually a timer. This red button here, or light, lets you know that the power is on to it, and depending on where you set this knob at, once it reaches that temperature, the green light will let you know that it is ready. Vevor actually recommends that you set this thing up on max to get it heated up when you first start it, and then work it down. Like I said, we got a timer here. Cooking with a griddle like this, it's actually a little bit healthier because the oils, the greases from the meats or product that you're cooking does drain off. But Vevor's actually incorporated a lid, or I'm sorry, a foot underneath the front of this sandwich press. All right, let's get this thing opened up so we can talk about a few more of its features here. Obviously, it comes with an owner's manual. It tells you how to, the cook on it, what have you. But right here, the lid that opens up, it has push button. If you want to change your griddles to a flat surface or to the grill marks, if you want to get sear or grill marks on there, it does the same with the top. You can flip them around. This way, if you desired grill marks on your food, now you've got your grill marks, or you have your flat surfaces. My first cook is going to be using the flat surfaces. I have a curiosity to whether an idea of mine is actually going to work for a popular hamburger, but we're going to give it a shot. This front plate, top plate, is also heating, so you get heat from both sides, the bottom and the top. But if you have something that's not perfectly flat, this top will hinge, is a hinge back there. So, if you have something that's higher or taller back here, the lid will move up and accommodate, that odd shape. You can push this button right here and lay this thing down, and now you got a full griddle from both sides. Griddle surfaces are 9 by 11. There's a lot of cooking surface there. It also has its own grease drawer back here that does accommodate both halves when it's opened. So, if you are cooking here and it has grease that's running off of it, obviously it's going to be caught into the grease pan as well as this side. 110 volt. With it open, you have about 195, 199 square inches to cooking surface. This is non-stick. They do recommend to only use a plastic type spatula. Do not use metal spatulas or forks. Whatever it is that you want to think about using metal, think twice. Use the plastic to preserve your non-stick surface. I'm thinking this is going to clean up just as easy as any other non-stick surface. Just please allow it to cool down before you go to wiping it off. Or if you want to, remove the grates, you know, and then just take them to the sink and clean them separately. But breakfast, pancakes, I love a griddle for pancakes. I actually prefer a griddle when cooking bacon versus a skillet or something like that. I just like the way it cooks more evenly when you're using a flat top griddle. Trying to think of what else I may have forgotten. The cord length is about 26 inches. That's not hateful. You can definitely plug it in and get it away from anything that's, you know, might be combustible near it with a 26-inch reach. But I can't wait to use this thing. Actually, I have a couple different things I want to use it for, and we're going to see how it works. All right, that's about it. Just to recap, you have a foot in the front to create a pitch to the back so that your oil drains off while you're cooking, making it a little healthier for you. You have a timer. You have the temperature knob here, a light, a power indicator, and an indicator light to let you know when the temperatures have reached your desired temperature. Non-stick surface, roughly 198 square inches of cooking surface when it's opened up, laying out flat. As I've shown a couple times, the grates do come out on both sides. You have a flat griddle on one, and you have raised ribs on the other side in case you want grill marks on your hamburgers, pork chops. They do not recommend using cooking anything like a bone-in chicken. So if you're going to cook something on here, let it be a boneless pork chop, a boneless chicken strips, chicken breast, chicken thighs, whatever you want. They do recommend it to be boneless. If you're using it on the opened up all the way flat as a griddle, just a flat top griddle, I don't see what the difference is. The only thing I can figure is what they are meaning to say is if you have a bone-in pork chop and you're trying to close this so that you can get heat from both surfaces here, the bone's probably going to create or not allow you to make contact to the meat. All right, that's about it. I can't wait to get this thing going. Probably another day or two before I can get stuff together and give it a sample run, get it cleaned up, get it heated up for the first time so I can cook off any type of shipping oils that may be in this on these grate tops, or griddle tops rather, but you'll be seeing this very soon. Please do me a favor, make sure you look in the description for the link of this product. I think this sandwich press is running $60, $65, something like that. So if you would, just go look at it. You know, click on the link that's in the description. You know, we will get credit for the click. We don't make any money off of it or anything, but we do get credit when our viewers actually take the time to go look at the products and everything else that Vevor has. Vevor has a ton of stuff. I mean, anything from diesel heaters, portable heaters, to above ground gardening systems, restaurant items, tons of stuff. They've got a lot of stuff to offer, but please just click on the link, go check it out. Just by clicking on the link, it helps us. I'm Lance with Sleeper Barbecue from St. Mary's County, Maryland. That's it. Until next time, we'll be bringing you some cooks with this little sandwich press.